Today, we're looking at an oil leak issue quietly affecting some Honda models. This isn't a recall or a technical service bulletin. There's no urgent action for owners. Instead, Honda has launched a research project, working with select dealerships to collect parts and study the problem before it becomes widespread. The focus is on valve cover gasket leaks, which are showing up on newer vehicles. Honda wants to know why these gaskets are failing sooner than expected. Dealers received an internal memo to collect information and parts, but this isn't a customer notice or a free repair program. Honda's goal is to analyze failed gaskets in the lab and understand the root cause. For now, this is just research, no repairs or recalls yet. Stay tuned to learn what this means for you and your Honda. Here's what Honda's internal communication to dealers says. The company has issued a set of detailed instructions to help them investigate a potential issue with oil leaks on certain models. This isn't a recall, but rather a data-gathering effort to better understand what's happening in the field. If a customer reports an oil leak from the valve cover area on specific Honda vehicles, the dealer's first step is to carefully verify the leak. They must confirm that the oil is actually coming from the valve cover gasket and not from another part of the engine to ensure the right issue is being addressed. Next, the dealer checks if the vehicle's VIN appears on Honda's research list. Only vehicles on this list are included in the investigation, so this step is crucial for determining eligibility. If the car qualifies, the dealer removes the valve cover and gasket, making sure to leave all oil residue and evidence untouched. This helps Honda's engineers see exactly what's going on. The old parts, including the valve cover and gasket, are then carefully packaged and shipped to Honda's engineering team for a thorough analysis. This allows Honda to study the failed parts directly. Dealers are specifically instructed not to clean the parts before shipping. Preserving the oil residue and any visible signs of failure is essential for an accurate investigation. After sending the original parts to Honda, the dealer installs a standard Honda replacement gasket to get the customer's car back on the road. Unless the car is still under warranty, the customer is responsible for paying for the repair. This process does not provide free repairs or special coverage at this time. It's important to note that this is not a new warranty or a free repair program. These are simply instructions to help Honda collect information and investigate the issue further. No special or redesigned part is being installed during this process. It's just the regular, standard replacement gasket that Honda already uses. The main goal here is data collection and analysis, not providing an immediate fix or solution for customers. If your Honda isn't leaking oil, you don't need to take any action or worry about this process. But if you do notice a leak, expect a standard repair process. Nothing out of the ordinary, just the usual steps your dealer would take. Now, let's find out if your Honda is included on the list and what your next step should be. Which Hondas are part of this investigation? Honda is studying models with the 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. This includes the 2018-2019 Accord, 2016-2019 Civic, XT, XL Touring and Sci, and 2017-2019 CR-V, X Trim and above. Being on the list doesn't mean your car will leak, it just means Honda is studying these vehicles. For Accord and Civic owners, check under the hood for oil around the valve cover. CR-V owners should be especially vigilant, as these vehicles are often used for family duty and may not get frequent underhood checks. If you see signs of a leak, have it checked at your next service. Awareness is key. Valve cover gasket leaks are common and usually not catastrophic. The gasket seals two metal surfaces, preventing oil leaks and unmetered air entry. Over time, heat cycles make the gasket brittle, leading to leaks. Honda is investigating if this is happening prematurely on these 1.5-liter turbo engines. Possible causes include material defects, design quirks, or issues with the PCV system increasing crankcase pressure. Most leaks start as a slow seep, just a film of oil and dirt around the valve cover. It's rarely an emergency but should be fixed to prevent mess and further issues. Monitor for leaks, but don't panic. If you notice oil, plan to address it at your next service. Honda's research may lead to improved parts in the future. For now, it's a manageable, well-understood issue. If you're a DIYer, replacing a valve cover gasket is a straightforward project that can save you money and help you learn more about your car. With a little patience and the right approach, you can tackle this job in your own garage. You'll need a new gasket set, preferably genuine Honda for the best fit and durability, and some basic hand tools like a ratchet, sockets, and a torque wrench. Having a clean workspace and a few rags handy is also helpful. Start by cleaning the area around the valve cover thoroughly. This step is important to prevent any dirt or debris from falling into the engine once the cover is removed, which could cause problems later on. Next, disconnect the ignition coils, the PCV hose, and any attached wiring or connectors. Take your time and label anything you might forget, so reassembly is easier. Remove the bolts securing the valve cover, keeping them organized. Then, gently lift off the valve cover, being careful not to force it if it's stuck. Take care not to damage the mating surfaces or let anything fall into the engine. A gentle touch here goes a long way. Remove the old gasket completely and clean the sealing surfaces on both the cover and the engine. Any leftover residue can cause leaks, so be thorough. Install the new gasket, pressing it firmly into the channel so it sits evenly all the way around. Double check that it's properly seated. Replace the spark plug tube seals if your kit includes them, as these are common sources of leaks. Reinstall the valve cover, hand tighten the bolts first, then torque them to the manufacturer's specifications in the correct sequence. Reconnect all the wiring, hoses, and ignition coils you removed earlier. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes. Carefully check for any oil leaks around the valve cover to make sure your repair was successful. This repair is well within reach for most home mechanics, and it's a great way to build your confidence working on your own vehicle. If you're not comfortable doing it yourself, any professional mechanic can handle this job quickly and efficiently for you. For the best results and long-lasting repairs, always use genuine parts. With the right tools and a careful approach, you can keep your engine running smoothly and leak-free. Here's the bottom line. Honda has noticed early valve cover gasket leaks on some 1.5-liter turbo models. This isn't a recall or a free repair, it's a research project to collect failed parts and study the cause. Affected vehicles include the 2018-2019 Accord, 2016-2019 Civic, and 2017-2019 CR-V. If you own one, be aware of the potential for leaks. Most leaks are minor and develop slowly. The standard fix is to replace the gasket, a simple routine repair. Use a genuine Honda part for best results. There's no need for panic or special action unless you notice a leak. Honda's investigation may lead to improved parts or future service campaigns. For now, monitor your engine and address leaks as needed. This is a manageable issue, not a major defect. Stay informed and proactive. If you own one of these Hondas, stay informed and proactive. Check your engine for oil leaks when you check your oil. Look for oily residue or dirt buildup around the valve cover seam. Minor seeps can be monitored, major leaks should be repaired promptly. Dripping oil can damage other components or create a fire risk. If your car is under warranty, the repair should be covered. Otherwise, expect to pay for parts and labor. Keep an eye out for official Honda updates. This research could lead to future service actions. Don't let a minor leak sour your ownership experience. This is a common, fixable issue. Like and subscribe for more automotive insights. Share your experience in the comments. Check the description for recommended tools and parts.